Thank you very much for joining me for this video. I am Mr. Ish. We're looking here at a very interesting trigonometric integral, and surprisingly very easy. We have integral sine 2x cosine 2x in the numerator. In the denominator, 2 sine square x cosine x minus cosine x dx. Everything here with regards to the ease of this integral depends on trigonometric substitutions. Look right here in the numerator, I have cosine 2x. You can easily take care of it in the following way. Understand cosine 2x is equal to cosine x plus x. By means of the sum formula, you understand and you obtain cosine square x minus sine square x. Look at this item and look at this item. Equal them to each other. Cosine 2x is equal to cosine square x minus sine square x. Think of this identity. Sine square x plus cosine square x is equal to 1. Solve for cosine square x is equal to 1 minus sine square x. And you will substitute that right here. I have cosine 2x is equal to 1 minus sine square x minus sine square x. When you compute this, you have 1 minus 2 sine square x is equal to that. And you can substitute it, and we will. When you substitute it, look what happens. We're looking at sine 2x in the numerator. Then I have this item coming right over here, 1 minus 2 sine square x. Look here in the denominator and isolate a cosine x, which is a common term. And you have 2 sine square x minus 1, and we have dx. Now let's make some modifications. You don't need to see this item here on the bottom. I'm going to erase this right over here, and I'm going to move it out. Look at sine 2x. It's equal to another item. And you know sine 2x is equal to 2 sine x cosine x. And I have my integral sign. Make a modification. The modification is this. I'm going to bring a minus over here, and I'm going to flip these terms around. And when I flip them around, 2 sine square x minus 1 will become 1 minus 2 sine square x. And that's the modification which is coming into play. 1 minus 2 sine square x. This cosine x, these items cancel out. The only thing which remains in terms of constants, you have a minus 2, and then you have a sine x dx. The antiderivative of this is going to be a minus cosine x plus c. Compute this and bring it to completion. Your end result is 2 cosine x plus c, and we are done. And that brings us to the end of this integral. And it wasn't that hard because trigonometric identities took care of most of the items, leaving you behind only this item minus 2 sine x, which is very easy to integrate. Thank you for watching. Bye.